good morning, everybody. It is day number 2 at the Snowbird TAC. It's a nice, cool morning. There was a bull moose just beyond us there, right up there, when we got here, so that was neat. Just got done editing yesterday's video. Hopefully we'll put it up before too long. Today should be fun. A lot more people already. Should consistently have more people throughout the day. Should be good. Probably go shoot the practice course if it's not too busy. Got my family coming up. We're just gonna have fun. Hopefully talk to a lot of people about bedrolls and hunting and life. For now, mission is to get this video uploaded and to get some kind of substance in my stomach. Not that I need it. I should probably just drink water and fast for the rest of the day, but I don't think that's happening, let's be honest. Okay, let's go have a good day, folks. Here, day 2. General Grits, baby. I love the General Grits store. See if we can't find some Pop-Tarts for half decent. Whole box of them. Get some cereal. Maybe get some cereal and some milk. The best. Strawberry? Yeah. True Moo chocolate milk, so good.
Oh, I'm good. How are you? Oh, I'm doing all right. All right, 737 is total on that.
Got some chocolate, strawberry milk, chocolate muffin. The best stuff. I went with some, a whole box of Pop-Tarts and some True Moo chocolate milk. I figured the Pop-Tarts will last me for tomorrow's breakfast. Sunday's breakfast. Yeah, maybe. Probably not, but maybe. True Moo, get a little chocolate milk, some protein in there to make it through the day. So far this morning, there's been a lot more people, but they've been going to shoot, so it's been about the same at the booth. I think, though, once people get off work around 2:30, things will really pick up. But until then, we're just gonna have to, have a few trad bow competitions at the Cabela's booth and just put out the vibe. So it's fun. Did you sell any bedrolls since we've been gone?
We've run out.
Normally it happens like that.
We've run out. We're down to Western music now. Good times.
You get a rat in the middle like that.
That's how you do it. I was like, oh, you caught me eating.
Guys, we got good news. The family's here. Urban kids. Don't be hiding.
We're the Alpine Slide Buddies.
They're up here. They're gonna go ride the Alpine slides. We got the mountain coaster. We got some bungee trampoline things going on. So they're up here to hang out and have fun.
It's pretty tough. Oh yeah. What's going on, girls? You guys here to have fun? Be here to work. Yeah, we gotta work before we have fun. They don't even know what to think about that. How you guys doing? All sprayed down, ready to go.
Ready. Dun, dun, dun.
Okay.
All right, so a little update here. Just been chilling. It's been extremely slow today. It's crazy. Then Luke's been shooting the bows at Cabela's and crushing it. It's pretty cool. Maybe I'll get some footage of that. And Brayden caught a squirrel when I wasn't filming.
I was like right here, and then I was just sitting right here. I had a cracker in my hand, just like this, and then like snuck around and grabbed it, and then I was going for two hands, and it bit me. Nice little bite. But yeah, we got on video too, so that's good. Then you can show you.
That's the exact reason why you don't feed wild animals. Now we've got to go get a series of rabies shots tonight. He might die tomorrow on the course while shooting Sitka when it reaches his heart. But
There's Cam Haynes.
there's Cam Haynes' twin brother driving the Dodge. But guys, sorry, this one's probably going to be short. It might be a little odd. There's just been not a whole lot going on. Maybe we'll get Luke shooting. Maybe we'll film him. Whoa. Fancy moves. Hopefully it picks up tomorrow. Tomorrow's video should be good because we're going to go shoot the Sitka course, so that's bound to be fun. Plus there's a little contest going on between me and Jeff. So, all right, if something happens, we'll film it. If not, you'll probably catch a B-roll. I'll probably close this thing out when we're leaving, but thanks for following along. It's the end of day 2 of the Total Archery Challenge. It was pretty dry, I'm not gonna lie. That's why this video doesn't have a whole lot in it. Kind of an abrupt ending. We're back at home. I rode home with my family, and also my family came up, so I spent a lot of time with them. Did the alpine slides and the mountain coaster and stuff like that. And it was just kind of dry today. So, but tomorrow's gonna be good. Make sure you keep following along. Tomorrow we're gonna go shoot the Sitka course with a group of us. We're gonna go up on the bow shop tram, and we got a little competition between myself and Jeff from Strip Taxidermy or Baird's Beard Oil, and you'll learn a little bit more about that tomorrow morning. But thanks for following along. Please like, please subscribe, and please share.